Hey Ben, thanks so much for your question. I'm really pleased that you're enjoying the podcast. I do put a lot of effort into it, so it's great to receive your positive feedback about it. You've asked me about the best platform to own ETFs on, and I guess it depends on, the size of your portfolio and whether you want to expand out of ETFs in terms of use some managed funds, which is less necessary today. And in fact, I think in a couple of years' time will be probably unnecessary as the investment menu on ETFs, the offerings that is ever expanding. Really, all you need to invest in ETFs is really a online share trading platform. And so, with respect to the considerations there, the main considerations are, user experience. How easy are they to use and reliable and reputable? And then the second consideration is really fees. So that's brokerage fees. But if you're a long-term investor, and hopefully you are because you're listening to my podcast, brokerage fees are less important because it's not like you're going to do a lot of trading. I find CommSec is the best. That's what I've personally used. I've got some ETFs that I've bought for my kids, and they're on CommSec. I think their platform's really easy to use. Obviously owned by CBA, so you know that there's strong backing there, and it's a robust platform, and it's pretty cost effective too in terms of fees. You're always going to find something a little bit cheaper out there, but of course, there's always a compromise to be made. There's no such thing as a free lunch. The other provider that tends to be very cost effective is CMC Markets. Now, I haven't used CMC, certainly on the share trading platform side, so I can't speak to its usability and user interface and so forth, but I know it's very popular. And I think it's slightly more cost effective than CommSec. But we're not talking about huge dollars here, so I'd probably just recommend CommSec because that's what I know and that's what I've personally used. But again, thanks so much for your feedback and question. I hope that's been useful, and all the best with your investing. Cheers.